Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it. Guys, excuse me, I do not have a ring light as yet, so I'm using my hand. I just moved in here, so still to sort that out. Another thing is the time difference. The time difference is crazy. If I sleep when I wake up, I'm just saying it behind. We are like I'm 7 hours behind South Africa, behind Zimbabwe, behind Botswana, behind Swaziland, I'm saying that because most of my viewers come from SA, Swaziland, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Anyways, I want to talk about Indaba kaVuyo, guys. So I have watched my videos of other gossip bloggers, and I even went through the comment section to see what the people are saying. Guys, so firstly I want to talk about these ones. There are some people, there's a group of people who are saying that indaba zaVuyo lizazizwa ngoVuyo, you people who said Xolani was coming, why did you even pay your money? Who said Xolani was coming? Why are you blaming uVuyo because Xolani didn't come for the event? Who said Xolani was coming and all that, Guys, I hear you, I hear you, but I'm in support particularly of ivideo kaNtando Mdletshe. uNtando said that uVuyo and Xolani sort of scammed people, So this is how I see it, Mina. This is my personal opinion, right? So uXolani collaborated with Immortal Kitchens, right, for an event, a fine dining event, and they advertised that event, right? So people anticipated that Xolani is coming and Vuyo is coming. Anyways, uVuyo confirmed that she will be coming. She'll be coming to Joburg for the event, and then people anticipated that Xolani is also coming. So now they're going to see uVuyo and Xolani together. That's the main reason why people paid. Otherwise, remove Xolani out of the equation, people were not going to pay because people don't care about Immortal Kitchens. They don't even know Immortal Kitchens outside of Xolani lo Vuyo. People were not going to pay. Like as much people were not going to pay, right? But because kulo Xolani equation, people paid. And you know why, guys? People love uVuyo. People are vouching for this relationship. I have noticed that most of these people, baby mamas of 2 kids who are not married. So like it's like they are given a hope if uVuyo managed to get a husband, a mother of 2, it's sort of like giving them hope. Okay, Lami, I can get married, something like that, which is a good thing. So I'm just trying to show you how much people love uVuyo, how much people want this to work, because it's giving them a hope. What's so sad is the fact that people now even overlook the red flags because they're like, uVuyo, if uVuyo did it, why can't I did it too? It's something of that sort. So that time when it was being advertised, because people were commenting on the comment section on Instagram, we are coming just to support Usvar, and trust and believe Usvar read all those comments but never decided no guys, I'm not coming. He was not going to say that because he knew Ma Etienne, he's not coming, then people are not going to buy the tickets. So that was some form of a marketing strategy, marketing stunt, I don't know. They sort of used the mere fact that uVuyo is a public figure to their advantage. Why uVuyo knew what people were saying that she knew what people were saying they are coming because uVuyo Xolani, but she didn't say no guys, Xolani is not coming. I guess that's the reason why people are upset, people are angry, people are disappointed, because people expected to Xolani uyabuya. Yes, uXolani never said that he was coming. uVuyo never said that Xolani is coming, but people anticipated that Xolani is coming, and they voiced that out. They said, no, we're going to meet Kwenyana, you know, Sbar. And Usbara didn't say no, uneasy, I'm not coming. You know, Usbara was like, no, pay, I'll tell you last minute that I'm not coming. So I'll just go ahead and put some people are upset. They are saying indlela abayi addressing ngayo is rude. Ukuthi uXolani uthe, let me set the record straight, I never said I was coming. Yeah, I don't need donation. Hey guys, there are people who said they were going to donate just for this relationship to work. Hey, guys, believe me when I say there are people who see themselves in Vuyokazi. Vuyokazi is a reflection of many women. So many women, when they are seeing ukuthi no, this is a mother of two, and now she's married, and ulotsholiwe akalotsholwanga ngesikoloto, ulotsholiwe in full, it gives them hope. Guys, and it makes so much sense. It makes so much. Kufanana lokuthi if you are a graduate, you're not working, and then you see another graduate getting a job, obviously you'll be like, oh man, I will get that job. If usibani bani a graduate le wathola umsebenzi, lami I will get that job. So it's sort of give. So you'll be vouching for that person. So people are vouching for Uvuyo. That's why I guess people even went to an extent of saying, you know what, we will support you guys. Fakanina ma banking details abe. Okay, let me go ahead and read the posts or the screenshots. Okay. So Uvuyo yena said nithetha kakhulu, it's so scary even to the point you're making stuff up engingazazi. Uvuyo uthi khona sikhuluma kakhulu, me and other people, to a point whereby we are making stuff yena angazaziyo. She is basically talking about the fact that kuthiwe uSibari uyabuya. Guys, ukuthi uSibari uyabuya, these people, they ukuthi people abantu bacabanga ukuthi uSibari uyabuya. Uvuyo lo Sibari, they knew when that post was made back then. Why didn't they clarify that? Why are they clarifying now? Honestly, I'm part of the people who feel like a comment laying at posting at lobo rudanyana ile dash yokuba rude, ile dash ye ungratefulness, because now people have bought tickets. The least you can say is thank you and apologize that, oh guys, you are anticipating that Uspar is not coming. We never said he was coming, but usazobuya Uspar yabo, rather than ukubheshwa abantu. Phela manje kuthethiswa abantu abangama supporters, kuthethiswa ama ride or die, because mina angithenga nge-ticket, mina I'm very far, I'm very far, oceans and oceans away. So the people who bought the tickets, the people who are upset ngama ride or die ka Vuyo lo Sibari, ngabantu who want to see Uvuyo lo Sibari wethuthuka. So I feel like ngabe nje ba addresswe with respect, you know, with some form of showing appreciation, which okay, thank you guys, you bought the tickets, you were there, you showed up. But however, apologize Uspar Gabiyanga. So ithon le setshenziswe lapha no ways, ithona isiyo shem. Ikhona enye ukuthi I didn't screenshot it, but I'll put it here, where Uvuyo was saying something like, you guys show me a point where my husband said he was coming because you seem to know more than me. Hi, whoa. Hi. Hi, guys. Because the people, they seem to know more than he. Ngama, it's the people who are vouching for this relationship. Kati akakwazi akamtshela uVika, akamtshela uVika ukuthi no Vuyo friend, abantu laba osubajikela. So it's the people who are vouching for you, it's not us the gossip bloggers, it's the people who are vouching for her. The least she could have done is to appreciate, you know, because this is a family business. Business family yabo phela le imali zadliwa yibo. I said yona le collaboration from Immortal Kitchens, the least you can do is appreciate. Anyways, these ones, let's wear Uspar. Woo, Oh, Nancy, let me set the record. Let me set the straight, ne? Blatted Sunday is not my event, and I never mentioned that I will be attending. Only my friend from Immortal Kitchens asked me to collaborate with me. Another thing, I will repeat, I'm not a public figure. If you don't like me, just unfollow me. It's not like I'm getting paid by followers. I am still not going to tolerate this BS. I have a daily job and a family. I never shared my banking details for donations. Stop bullying me, my wife, and Vicky. You remember when people were saying, Vicky, akashadele eceleni mbijana, uvuyo akaxexebuke mbijana kuVicky. Hey, uVicky nkosi yami, engabe lokho eqanjwa phela ku family business, yonke into le family kulo Vicky phakathi. It's becoming too much. I don't have fans and I am not a public figure. Only my wife is a public figure. Ngicela singajwayelani. Let me set the straight, ne? Oh, okay, I've read that. Guys, yabana le ethi stop bullying me and my wife and Vicky. Who bullied Vicky? Vicky is not part of this everything. This thing is about Uvuyo and Uxolani. Why is sekufaka Vicky? I'm just saying ukuthi I feel like at this point Vicky, if I was Vicky, I was going to like you know, and just be friends with Uvuyo, and because mind you, Vicky friend ga Uvuyo, she doesn't need to be a friend ga Xolani. No, she doesn't need to be friend kaXolani. Your friend kaVuyo akuphelele kibo boyi2 nje. Bizwe lithi Vicky ku alimelanga vele nje licross emlonyeni kaXolani. Hi guys, no, angifuni kulawula ama relationships abantu, angifuni, but I'm just saying ukuthi yey ibizo lika Vicky aliphelele akube nguVicky lo Vuyo. Vicky doesn't necessarily need to be a friend kaban kaXolani. Right now she must just keep her distance, yabo. Love Vuyo la embassy. Ngicela nje ungalawuli indaba zabantu. Hey, don't mind what I just said. Angifuni nje ulawula, I'm just saying. But anyways, another thing, yes, Usbar is not a public. Usbar is saying, you know, he's not a public figure, but he's married to a public figure. So these are the perks that come with being married to a public figure, unfortunately. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.